welcome back. It's first time shooting a 303 Enfield number 5 Mark 1 Jungle Carbine. We're at 50-yard range, and let's see what we can do here.
That's got a hair trigger, doesn't it?
It's British.
Center tube. I'm aiming at the middle of the center tube. So watch where it hits from there. It's way out to the right. Shooting to the left. Yeah. 3 feet.
I was using Preview pliers and.
Is this one of those ready on the right, ready on the left?
All right, we're gonna be doing the Mad Minute style hand grip for the shooting, and I'm gonna pop off these last rounds as quick as possible.
Not bad. It's really not bad.
That's Mad Minute style shooting.
Were you shooting at the bullseye?
I was just shooting for hell.
Oh.
Yeah, he's shooting a Jungle Carbine.
Holy smokes, this thing kicks.
Yeah, it's a 303 Brit.
Misfire?
I would say it's 1 click high.
I heard.
Yep. And I still pull it to the left. Maybe 2 clicks high, 1 click to the left.
I'll have to show you the there's a special shooting technique.
Okay. No, I still got rounds.
Oh, here. Yeah, sometimes
Get your mag up.
you gotta work that bolt like a mother.
Oh, God, I guess.
You gotta slap it up. Recording.